What's up, guys? A lot has happened since I was out flying last time. I trashed my transmitter, the QX7, the white one, so I'm borrowing CO FPVs instead. That's good. At least I can borrow one. And another thing is, I just purchased a 3D printer, Anycubic Mega Zero, and printed some TPU stuff, especially this 25-degree camera mount. So let's have a fly and see how it is. That was alright. I just have one pack more to discharge, and then I'm good. All good. All good. I'm trying to, you know, I don't know. Alright. That was actually a really freaking nice flight. I'm enjoying KISS so much. It's crazy. I'm so happy I got it. Let's strap on the last pack and see where it goes. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.